Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. This chicken sandwich is simple, quick and filled with flavor. Perfect for those days when you want something satisfying without spending too much time in the kitchen. Wash 2 boneless chicken breasts. Add salt as required. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. A pinch of turmeric powder. Mix well. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Add little oil and mix. Keep aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Place a kadai on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Place the marinated chicken in it. Add water as required. Cover with a lid and let it cook. Once one side of the chicken pieces is cooked, flip the chicken pieces to cook the other side also. Once the chicken pieces are cooked, switch off the flame. Transfer into a plate. Once it cools down, shred it. Now I am transferring it into a bowl. Add 1 chopped onion. Add some chopped capsicum, chopped carrot, chopped cucumber, little chili flake, little oregano, add salt as per your taste. Add pepper powder as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. I added 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can add mayonnaise as per your requirement. The filling is ready, keep it aside. I'm cutting the sides of the sliced breads. Apply butter on the sliced breads. Place the filling. Place another sliced bread on it. Chicken sandwich is ready. You can eat it like this or grill it on a pan. To grill the sandwich, I am placing a grill pan on medium flame. I am applying butter on it. Now I am placing the sandwiches on it. Apply butter around the sandwiches. Once one side of the sandwich is grilled, flip the sandwiches to grill the other side also. The sandwiches are grilled. I'm switching off the flame. This chicken sandwich is simple, tasty, and very comforting. See you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.